The job description of a community manager involves overseeing and nurturing the relationships between an organization and its online or offline communities. Community managers serve as the face and voice of a company or brand, tasked with fostering engagement, loyalty, and a sense of belonging among members. Whether working for a tech startup, a non-profit organization, a retail brand, or a global corporation, community managers play a vital role in humanizing the brand and enhancing customer experiences. Community managers typically operate in a digital landscape, moderating social media channels, forums, online communities, and branded content platforms. However, the scope of their work often extends to in-person events, partnerships, and outreach programs. Their primary goal is to create meaningful interactions that align with the organization's objectives while also meeting the needs of the community. A successful community manager not only communicates effectively, but also listens actively, gathers insights, and feeds valuable feedback to internal teams. The position requires a blend of marketing savvy, public relations insight, and a genuine passion for people and relationships. Primary responsibilities of a community manager. Community managers are primarily responsible for building, growing, and managing a brand's community across multiple platforms. This starts with developing and implementing a comprehensive community strategy aligned with the organization's goals. They define community guidelines, set key performance indicators, KPIs, and establish engagement benchmarks. On a daily basis, community managers monitor and participate in conversations on social media, forums, blogs, and other digital platforms. They respond to comments, messages, and inquiries, ensuring that community members feel heard and supported. When issues arise, community managers act as intermediaries, addressing concerns diplomatically and escalating matters when necessary. Content creation and curation are also essential responsibilities. Community managers develop content calendars, write posts, share multimedia, and encourage user-generated content. This helps to sustain interest, spark conversation, and reinforce the brand's personality and values. Analytics and reporting form another critical aspect of the role. Community managers track engagement metrics, sentiment analysis, and audience growth. They use these insights to refine strategies, highlight success stories, and identify areas for improvement. In offline capacities, community managers may organize meetups, host events, or participate in conferences. These initiatives help strengthen community bonds, enhance visibility, and gather direct feedback from members. Collaborating with event planners, marketing teams, and local influencers is common in such efforts. Midway through understanding the role's scope, it becomes clear that the job description of a community manager is not limited to communication. It encompasses brand advocacy, crisis management, and strategic development, all grounded in relationship building. Essential skills and competencies. A community manager must be a strong communicator, able to convey messages clearly and persuasively. Writing skills are especially crucial, as most interactions occur in text form across social media and content platforms. Empathy and emotional intelligence are vital. Understanding community members' concerns, moods, and motivations allows community managers to respond appropriately and foster a positive environment. This skill also contributes to conflict resolution and feedback interpretation. Creativity is another key competency. Whether designing campaigns, generating content, or brainstorming engagement activities, community managers must think innovatively to keep the audience interested and invested. Analytical thinking supports effective community strategy. By interpreting engagement metrics, behavior trends, and sentiment data, Community managers can make informed decisions and provide evidence-based recommendations to stakeholders. Time management and multitasking are important due to the dynamic nature of the role. A community manager may need to juggle real-time responses, scheduled content, event planning, and cross-departmental meetings, all in a single day. Adaptability is crucial in navigating the fast-changing digital landscape. Algorithms, platforms, and user expectations evolve constantly, and a successful community manager stays ahead of trends and emerging tools. Crisis management skills are a valuable asset. In times of negative publicity, product issues, or online backlash, community managers act as the first line of defense, addressing concerns quickly and maintaining the organization's reputation. Work, environment, and challenges. Community managers often work in marketing, public relations, or communications departments. Their work environment is typically hybrid or remote-friendly, given the online nature of their tasks. However, occasional travel may be required for events, training, or community outreach programs. The pace of work can be intense. Communities operate around the clock, and issues may arise outside regular business hours. Community managers often need to be flexible and available to respond quickly in urgent situations. Handling negative comments or difficult members can be emotionally taxing. Community managers must balance being empathetic with maintaining professional boundaries and enforcing community guidelines. Measuring the impact of community management is another common challenge. Unlike direct sales or advertising, community engagement may not always translate into immediate revenue, making it harder to demonstrate ROI. Nonetheless, long-term benefits such as customer loyalty, brand trust, and organic growth underscore the role's strategic value. Despite these challenges, community managers find the role fulfilling. They build genuine relationships, amplify customer voices, and contribute to shaping brand identity. The opportunity to influence culture, connect people, and drive positive interactions is highly rewarding. Educational requirements and career path. A bachelor's degree in communications, marketing, journalism, public relations, or a related field is typically required for community manager positions. However, practical experience in social media management, customer service, or content creation may substitute for formal education in some cases. Certifications in digital marketing, social media, or community management, such as those offered by Hootsuite, HubSpot, or CMX, can enhance a candidate's credentials. Familiarity with community management tools like Sprout Social, Discord, Slack, or Facebook groups is often expected. Career progression for community managers can lead to roles such as Senior Community Manager, Social Media Strategist, Content Manager, or Head of Communications. In tech companies or startups, community managers may also evolve into roles involving user experience, product development, or brand strategy. Professional development is key. Community managers benefit from attending webinars, joining professional networks, participating in industry conferences, and staying current with platform updates and audience trends. Conclusion: the job description of a community manager illustrates a multifaceted role that blends communication, creativity, and strategic thinking. These professionals act as the voice of the brand and the advocate for the audience, fostering meaningful relationships that enhance trust, loyalty, and growth. For individuals who thrive on interaction, possess emotional intelligence, and enjoy crafting experiences that bring people together, community management offers an exciting and dynamic career. Whether nurturing an online group, moderating a bustling forum, or organizing real-world events, community managers are instrumental in turning brand audiences into thriving, engaged communities.